Hey there PTE aspirants, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anurag. Today we are going to tackle an important aspect of the PTE writing section, which are time management and planning your essay. Time management is crucial to ensure you complete your essay within the given time frame and deliver a well-structured response. So let's get started. But before we delve into the tips, let's understand why time management and planning are vital. With limited time, it's crucial to allocate it wisely. Effective planning ensures you have a clear structure and direction for your essay, making the writing process smoother and more organized. Now let's dive into the tips for time management and planning your essay. These tips will help you make the most of your time and deliver a well-structured response. Talking about planning your essay. Planning plays a crucial role in organizing your thoughts and ensuring a coherent and well-structured essay. Here are some tips to help you plan effectively. Tip number 1. Analyze the prompt and create an outline. Start by analyzing the prompt and understanding its requirements. Then, create a brief outline that includes the introduction, body paragraphs, and the conclusion. This will serve as a roadmap for your essay. Number 2 is brainstorm ideas and supporting points for each paragraph. Jot down key arguments, examples, or relevant data that you can include in your essay. This will save you time when you start writing. Tip number 3, prioritize your ideas and create a logical flow. Once you have your ideas, prioritize them and create a flow, and think about the most compelling points and how they connect to each other. This will help you present a clear and organized argument. Tip number 4, begin with a strong introduction and thesis statement. When you start writing your essay, always begin with a strong introduction and a clear thesis statement. What exactly you are going to write or discuss. The introduction sets the tone for your essay and provides a brief overview of your stance or your argument. Make it captivating to engage with the reader right from the start. Moving on to the time management. Tip number 1, set some time for planning your essay. As I just discussed, planning what you are going to write is very crucial. Use the tips shown before to organize your plan effectively. Tip 2, allocate time for each section. Since the PTE writing section consists of 2 tasks, you should divide your time accordingly. For example, in essay, you could dedicate 5 minutes for planning and the remaining time for writing and editing. Remember, it's also essential to stick to the time allocations to avoid rushing. Tip 3 is to leave time for proofreading and editing. Allocate a few minutes in the end for reviewing your response and fixing your mistakes. Use this time to check for grammatical errors, punctuation, sentence structure, and overall coherence. It is a crucial step that can significantly improve the quality of your essay. Now that you have the tips for time management and planning your essay, it's time to put them into practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. So the more you practice implementing these strategies, the more comfortable and efficient you will become. That wraps up today's video on time management and planning for the PTE writing section. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PTE related content. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and good luck with your preparation.